Hello everyone, my name is Irene
And my name is Iris.
Today we are going to make M&M cookies. First we need flour, baking soda and salt. I mixed it and kept it in this bowl right here. Next we need some butter. Iris, will you help me with the rest?
Okay, next we need brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, a full egg, one egg but with only yolk, and next we need some M&Ms, or if you're making chocolate chip cookies, you can put chocolate chips.
Are baking. Remember, only do this with the adult. When we are ready with the cookies, we'll come and show you.
These smell so good, I could eat them. But I'm just touching the tray and my fingers are burning. Oh, I remember. We made these cookies for my online bazaar.
She'll sell them to you on Online Bazaar Day tomorrow.
Please buy my M&M cookies. They smell delicious.